Hi there, scripture for the day. Yebo, yes. We are getting our scripture reading from the book of Philippians, Kwabase Philippe, chapter 4, verse number 6. It says, Ningakhathazeki ngalutho, kepha kukho konke izicelo zenu mazaziwe nguNkulunkulu ngokukhuleka nokunxusa kanye nokubonga. And then in English it says, do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and petition with thanksgiving present your request to God. That's the scripture for today. Do not be anxious. Ningakhathazeki. If there's something that is worrying you, tell it. I refuse ukhathazeka. Ningakhathazeki ngalutho. Just take it and give it to God through prayer with petition and thanksgiving. Just give it to God. Ningakhathazeki ngalutho. Don't be anxious about anything. Poetus Mbali Shabangu signing out.